Hello kids, welcome to my video. Today we will learn A to Z. So let's start the video. ये है ब्राउन कलर. A for apple. ये है ब्लू कलर. B for boy. ये है पर्पल कलर. C for कैनेल. ये है ब्लैक कलर. D for डॉल. ये ऑरेंज कलर. E for elephant. ये है रेड कलर. F for fish. ग्रीन कलर. G for goat. ब्राउन कलर. H for hen. I for ice cream. Purple color. J for jug. Black color. K for kite. Orange color. L for lion. Red color. M for monkey. Green color. N for nut. Brown color. O for orange. Blue color. P for pen. Purple color. Q for queen. Black color. R for rose. Orange color. S for sun. Red color. T for tiger. Green color. U for umbrella. Blue color. V for van. Purple color. W for wheel. Black color. X for X-ray. Orange color. Y for yogurt. Red color. Z for zebra. Hello kids, like my video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching my video.